Hey, I'm Tapanroy and today I want to share you how to draw animals. So yeah, from this long back, when started the painting when I'm kids, I really very fascinated about the animals drawings. So animals drawing is not that easy, okay, because this animals are roaming around here and there. So if it's difficult to understand that, the pose and the shapes, but it's really interesting. So we'll start. 1 second, I just fine. So here this is eyelashes, not that much, but for the baby character you can utilize the eyelash. Okay, fine, like this. Here, so that's 2 minutes. Here you can make this, and very fast you will make this texture like this. Okay, give me more 30 seconds. I just finish it up and then you can start. So I just make the structure like this. So we'll start the little bit skill build up as well. So I can make it just sketching fast. See here something like this, and some areas I make the dark line. Okay, so when you are creating this kind of shading like this, and here, okay, now wait, this habits can change. This is Laura, beta, wait, don't stop drawing, all of you, stop drawing, just see this, where I make this speed, why I applying the shading, why not applying. Okay, here, this is the depth creates, I just make it this. So see, when I draw this fast drawing, that times the drawing skill, or it is visible the skill, how fast, and the shading skill, and it looks like a very professional artist works. The volume of the character, or to make the design, the volume is like this, the volume. Okay, so make it this volume like this. There is no any texture, but the texture here something like this. Now your time starts.